Hi, Fishy.
Hey, Fishy, Fishy, Fishy.
Come out, Fishy.
Come out, Fishies. Hi. What's your name?
Austin Muffin.
Austin Watkins.
Yeah.
Can you drive a truck?
Yeah.
Show me your driving. Oh, you drive fast, don't you? Will you pat me?
Yeah.
Okay, pat me.
You're
Oh,
so nice.
I am nice. Give me a pat. Rub my nose. Rub my nose. I won't hurt you.
I don't hurt you.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. That felt good.
You feel good?
Yeah. Bye-bye now.
No.
I've got to go get clean.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. We got to clean him.
I want to say hi to her.
You want to say hi to her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Truck for her.
Well, we got to clean her, then she will say hi to her, okay?
And play truck.
Trucks!
Yeah.
I can drive a truck. Can you drive a truck?
Yes.
Okay.